Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Bettiah. So this is class 8. This is class 8, chapter 8 also, and the topic is subject-verb agreement. So let us see the meaning of that subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement means that subject and verb must always agree in number. A verb changes its form to tell time and also as per the number of subjects. It means that the verb must be in accordance with the subject. Say, if someone is saying, or if a sentence, even a wrong sentence is there, like he are playing, so we can correct it like he is playing. We will not go to the extent of correcting that they are playing, because we will make the subject as it is, or whatever it is the subject is given, and if the verb part is wrong there, we will check the verb part, improve the verb part. We will not simply change the subject. So subject is taken for granted, and in line with that subject, verb must be used. So there are certain rules that should be followed up in this regard. Rule 1. In a sentence where the subject has a modifying noun clause, the verb agrees with the subject and not the noun. For example, the bravery of the villagers was admirable. Here the subject is the bravery and not the villagers. So the bravery, we can say the bravery was admirable, or the bravery of the soldiers was admirable. The practice of organ donation has been adopted. The practice has been adopted, or the practice of organ donation has been adopted. The first part is the subject here. Rule 2. Two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and require a plural verb. So paint and brush are the tools of all artists. My mother and aunt are busy. So two persons, two nouns or two pronouns are there, so we are using are. Third, a plural noun must be followed by a singular verb. The army is always alert. The class is very interactive. So generally it is the noun there and used in a singular way. Exception: scissors are sharp objects. The cattle are brought here for grazing. So scissors always used in plural form, cattle always used in plural form. Rule 4. Indefinite pronouns like each one, anyone, everyone, everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody, someone, many, either, neither, they also require singular verbs. So these are the singular words as such, and take singular verb also. Rule 5. Compound words joined by with, as well as, along with, including, in addition to, besides, accompanied by, and together with require singular verbs. He, along with his parents, is very active member of the group. In this sentence, he is the main subject and not his parents. Rule 6. Two or more singular subjects connected by or nor require a singular verb. Either the milkman or the newspaper man has left. Neither the boy nor the girl is anywhere in sight. Rule 7. If there are two or more subjects joined by or nor and are of different numbers, then the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Example: either the captain or the players have to collect the sports. So the verb closer to it means here the player or the subject coming later on. So the players become the real subject here, and in accordance with that we use have. Neither the friends nor the daughter was on time. So the daughter is the real subject here, and in line with that we are using the suitable verb. Rule 8. Two nouns qualified by each or every connected by and require a singular verb. Every girl and every boy was given. We cannot say were given. Each and every woman in the village was trained. We cannot say were trained or are trained. So was trained or is trained, like that. Rule 9. Nouns which are plural in form but similar in meaning take a singular verb. Like mathematics, classics, ethics, athletics, innings, gallows, economics, poetry, news, visuals, mumps, electronics, physics. These are the subjects. So physics is my favorite subject. Physics is a singular word here. Economics goes well with the mathematics in the senior classes. So physics and economics, being singular in nature, denote a particular subject only. Rule 10. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as a whole, but a plural verb when the individual of which it is composed are taken into consideration. Some examples are audience, committee, company, council, army, police, society, board, cabinet, department, group, family, etc. Examples: the police is on a high alert. Second, the members of these societies are working. So here the police is taken as a singular one. So we are using each, and in the next sentence the members are there, which is the plural part. Rule 11. A plural noun denoting a period of time usually requires a singular verb. Examples: a 4-kilometer walk is good for the heart. 5 months is too short for this project. So 5 months, it is a period of time. 4 kilometer, it is period of distance. So it takes a singular verb. Rule 12. Two singular subjects that are practically synonyms require a singular verb, like bread and butter, law and order, peace and prosperity. So the law and order situation is a state subject. It means the law and the order is taken together. These are not two subjects as such. Peace and prosperity is the prayer of every man. Peace and prosperity is taken in a singular way. Bread and butter is the usual breakfast. So bread and butter becomes the common thing. Rule 13. Titles of the books, novels, movies and such works are treated as singular. For example, The Chronicles of Narnia is a series of 7 high fantasy novels. So it is the name of the novel. The movie Finding Nemo is a wonderful example of bravery, etc. Now on the basis of that, we will deal with the exercise part. So let us do it. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in bracket. So in bracket, two verbs are there, singular and plural as such, and we have to use it. So let us do. First, the condition of these genes is reasonably good. So the condition is the actual subject here. So we are using is. The books I was gifted are in my room. So the books are the subject here. The books, and we are using are in this regard. The Arabian Nights, it is a novel, so we are using it. Is. The Arabian Nights is still popular among children. 4. Rice and curry taken together. So we are using is here. German as well as English is taught at the school. 6. The hobby of collecting stamps is one of the favorite pastime. So the hobby is the subject part here. 5 years is a long time. Next. Neither the manager nor the supervisor was working today. 9. people are taking out a procession today. People, it is a plural word like cattle. Each of these spices is found in India. So is found in India because each is the actual subject part here. Let us do the next question. Underline the mistakes in the following sentences and rewrite them correctly. So I have already underlined the word, we can recorrect it also. So let us see. What time do the IPL match start today? Do is the wrong part here. The right part will be what time does the IPL? What time does the IPL match start today? Second, the committee discuss all ideas before finalizing anything. So the committee discusses. The committee discusses. Third, many students has made the same mistake. So has is the wrong verb here. Many students have. Many students have. 4. My uniform trousers is with the dry cleaners. So trousers always taken in pairs. So it is the wrong verb. Is wrong verb here. So we will use are. 5. Oats and juice are a healthy breakfast. Oats and juice is a healthy breakfast. 6. Sonali and Suresh was going. Sonali and Suresh were going. 7. The quality of these books are poor. Wrong. The quality of these books is poor. 8. None of the boys are interested. None of the boys is interested. 9. Mr. Guha with his wife and children lives next door because Mr. Guha is the subject part here. 10. Both Seema and Sania works hard to be successful. Both Seema and Sania work hard, not works hard, so work hard. Let us do the next exercise. Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct options given in the brackets. So 2 words are there. So I have circled the right answer part. So let us deal with that. Dash used shopping at the same market yesterday. Were you shopping? Either he or I dash to blame. I am to blame. Each of these spices is found in India. The cards fall as the wind blows. 5. Do your parents, by printing mistake it is you written there, but it will become your. So do your parents know about the surprise party you planned for them? 6. Measles was diagnosed as the disease she was suffering from. 7. Neither the participants nor the audience was enthusiastic. 8. None of the students in this class is mischievous. 9. Have all the students submitted their assignments? 10. He and I were playing. 2 pronouns are there, he and I. So were playing, not was playing. So in this way we have finished this lesson. That was subject verb agreement. Go through it. So till then, thank you.